Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner, then click on Account, then click on Profile, then click on Edit Profile, then scroll down, and then on the section where it says Email, click on Email, then enter your new email here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Dasher app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.